Ban Ban by Taya. Today I'm going to make chicken rice, but the ingredient I didn't have the sauce, so I will just do the soup and the rice. So I hope everyone will enjoy. And for the ingredients, okay, I have radish and carrots here. And this is for the soup. There will be garlic, ginger, black pepper, a little sliced tomato, onion, chicken stock, and root coriander. And this I will make for rice. So I have here garlic and ginger. I have chicken skin, and I have rice. And we will shake with the soup one out. And as for the soup that we will cook for the rice, so I have here the chicken, the whole chicken that I marinated since last night. So for the marinades, I have soy sauce, garlic, black pepper, and root coriander and salt. This is for the chicken that I marinated since last night. And this is already cooked for 45 minutes. And now we will start to make soup and rice. And now it's become brown, as you can see, and we will put for the rice. Okay, this is the chicken stock. So what we are going to do, okay, and this is our soup, and I will put that. So let's have a look for the presentation. Alright, thank you everyone for watching till the end of the video. And here, chicken and soup. So don't forget today, chicken rice with soup. So I hope everyone enjoy and take care of yourself. Be safe. I will see you next video. Bye.
Yeah.